Track 112. Unit 2.
What time is it? It's 7:45. It's 9:15. What time do you get up? I get up at 7:30. He gets up at 6:30. He has breakfast at 7 o'clock. On Monday, she always goes shopping. On Friday, she helps her children with their homework. Does she clean the house on Thursday? Yes, she does. What does she do on Sunday? She has a rest and watches TV. What's a dolphin like? It's intelligent. What's a lion like? It's dangerous. What animals do you think are friendly? I think dogs and cats are friendly. How many wings do butterflies have? They have 4 wings. Where do ants live? Most ants live together in a colony. What do caterpillars eat? Most caterpillars eat plants.